Are you struggling to attract readers to your blog? You're not alone, many face this issue. But there's a solution? Meet HelloBar, the ultimate tool for bloggers. Our platform effortlessly converts traffic into action and grows your audience. Imagine boosting traffic, fostering loyalty, and increasing page views. HelloBar enables these with its user-friendly interface. HelloBar simplifies email list building. Capture emails and inform your audience instantly when you post. Growing a blog involves more than just writing. It's about visibility. HelloBar enhances engagement and prompts exploration. What makes HelloBar unique? Targeted messaging lets you address different audience segments. Guide readers to desired content. Picture a loyal reader returning frequently to explore related articles. This is HelloBar's power, boosting engagement and satisfaction. Wondering how to improve your blog's visibility? HelloBar helps enhance search engine rankings by lowering bounce rates. Promote your social media channels and build community engagement with HelloBar. Share social proof and gather feedback. Don't let your blogging efforts go unnoticed. Harness HelloBar's potential. Grow your blog, create engaging content, and thrive. Seize the moment. Sign up for HelloBar now and elevate your blog to success. Let's turn your dreams into reality.